Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. I make videos about make money online affiliate marketing as well as online business. So if you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button because all this awesome content is available on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn $10,000 passively. Okay, passively, just working almost 10 minutes a day. That's it. You just have to work for 10 minutes a day and you can earn almost $10,000 every single month. How you are gonna do this, I'm gonna show you all in this video. So stick till the end in this video, and after watching this video you can check out other videos on my channel. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. First of all, we just have to go to Google's here search and we are gonna type a name. Okay, data is beautiful. Okay, we type the name which is known as Data is Beautiful. So this is one of the channel which has been earning a huge amount of money since recently. Okay, you can see here just 15 hours and 721k views. Okay, 1.5 million views a week ago. So what they are doing is they are just creating this simple videos in which charts are rolling. Okay, in which only charts are rolling and just they are earning money from this. Let's jump into the, so you can see here that all they are creating is this running chart videos. How they are creating this videos and why these videos are getting this much amount of views. This is one of the trending videos on internet. Okay, this is one of the future trends which can be spotted just now. Yes, this is one of the future trends. Okay, so this type of videos are gonna be a very big hit in 2020. Okay, so you just have to spot this and know this is gonna be a really big trend in the year 2020. So you just have to create this type of videos. Now I'm gonna show you how you can create this type of videos and upload it to your channel. You can monetize it and you will get a ton of views on these videos because these videos are getting really awesome amount of views. So let's jump and I will show you how you can create this type of simple videos and earn a good amount of money. First, let me show you how much this channel Data is Beautiful is earning. Okay, so let's go here to Social Blade. socialblade.com. So we are going to Social Blade. Here we just have to write Data is Beautiful. Okay, we just typed in the name Data is Beautiful. Now let's check out how much this channel earns. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, so you can see here this is the channel. Okay, it has 56 videos uploaded and you can see what amount of money this channel is earning. You can check out here the monthly earnings estimated. It's just monthly, it's not yearly, is almost $18,000 to $275,000. That's just enormous amount of money which you can earn just by creating this type of videos. And this channel has just uploaded 56 videos, not a single video, more than that, only and only 56 videos. So now let's see this channel is growing super fast and you can see here it's 206k to 3.3 million of yearly earnings this channel can earn. So I'm gonna tell you how you can create this type of videos like this channel and earn a big chunk of money from this. So let's get started and jump into the main content. So to do this, you just have to come here to this website which is known as flourish.com. Okay, you just have to sign up for this website. This is a studio website. This is the website where you can create this type of running chart videos. Okay, you just have to sign up. You can sign up for free here and just start creating this type of video. If you don't know how to create this type of videos on YouTube, you may find many tutorials which will teach you how to make running chart videos. So that's simple, that's done. Okay, so one thing that is done for you, you got the platform from where you can create this. Now one of the major question which you ask would be where do I get all this data and statistics? So I'm gonna suggest you this website. This is known as statista.com. This is the website from which you can get all this information, all these statistics. Okay, now what would be the one of the thing about this website is this is a paid website. You just have to pay $49 a month if you want to get data from this website, but it is okay. You can just really get all the data from this website. You just have to pay a small amount of fees for that, and that's not much critical. Okay, see, okay, so you just have to pay $49 a month and you can get data from this website. Okay, so this is a great amount of data which you can get just for $49 a month. This is not a huge investment. This is a small investment which can earn you almost millions of dollars. Okay, so you can just make this small investment and just go and create videos using this platform which is known as Flourish, and you can really earn this huge amount of money using this method. Many of the people are going to use this method to earn money online, and you can definitely earn this amount of this huge amount of money. So just get ready to take action, and you can definitely earn a good amount of money doing creating this type of videos in 2020, because this is gonna be a big trend in 2020. So if you like this video, if you like my content, then just press the like button and then press the subscribe button and press the bell icon which comes next to the subscribe button, and you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So now we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed to this channel.